Hello and welcome, children. Today we will continue the chapter Food for Health. Before we start, children, let us revise what we learned in the previous videos. In the previous videos, we learned about the importance of food, balanced diet, sources of food, who are vegetarians and non vegetarians, kinds of food. Under kinds of food, we learned about energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food, and also importance of milk and some raw fruits and vegetables. Now we will study what is the importance of water. Water is very important for good health. It helps us to digest food, get rid of wastes in the body, and keeps our skin healthy. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Now, children, you have already learned in Standard 1 that we should drink plenty of water every day. Why? Because it helps us to digest our food. It also helps us to get rid of waste from our body, and it also keeps our skin healthy, which is why our skin glow. Now, we will see some good food habits. Now, children, you can see there are many points given for good eating habits. There are many more, but in this chapter, we will only study what are given here. So, the first one is eat food at a fixed time. What do you mean by fixed time? It means that we should eat our breakfast, lunch, and dinner at its proper time. We should never eat our breakfast at 12 p.m. because 12 p.m. is the time for lunch. So at that time we should have our lunch. The next is wash your hands before and after eating meals. Third one is before eating, wash fruits, vegetables and pulses properly. Now children, why do you think we should wash fruits, vegetables and pulses properly before eating? We should wash them before eating because it might contain dust or germs. So, to remove the dust or germs, we should wash them properly. Next is neither eat too much nor eat too little. It means that we should never eat food too much. Means if you are filled, if your stomach is full, and even if you want to eat, then you should stop yourself because your stomach is already full. And next is you should never eat too little. Means you should at least eat sufficient food that is needed for your body. Understood? The next is chew the food properly. Now, if we will not chew our food properly, what will happen, children? We will not be able to swallow our food. Understood? That is why it is said that we should chew the food properly. Next is eat only fresh and clean food. The next one is do not talk while eating. The second last is do not buy food from street vendors. Now, what is the meaning of street vendors? You have already learned in Standard 1. Do you remember it? Okay, let me tell you. Street vendors are people who sell food, okay, but not in a shop. They carry their things with them and they roam around in the colony. Understood? And they sell their things. Now, if the things are properly packed, then you can buy it from them. But until and unless it is not packed properly, you will not buy it. Understood, children? Because while by the time they are traveling from their place to our place, and if it is in open, the dust will be there, the germs will be there. And what will happen if you will eat it? You will get sick. So try to avoid the street vendors from your colonies. Next is eat lots of green vegetables and fruits. We should eat green vegetables and fresh fruits to keep our body healthy. So when your parents or when your mother cook green vegetables, do not throw them or do not leave them on your plate. Try to finish it. Eat it because green vegetables helps you to be healthy. Children, I hope you will follow all the good food habits and you will eat green vegetables and fresh fruits as it will help you to keep your body healthy. Thank you, children.